friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Die Mold, and today we will discuss this blend corner. It will blend three or more corner into single corner. So to create this, first I have to draw a rectangle and I need to extrude this. This is my rectangle and I am going to extrude this and just apply some draft so that it looks a little better. Add reset and again angle, and click OK. Now I want to create a corner setback. Just click and apply the radius and corner setback. This edge blend we have already discussed, so this time I am not discussing this, and click OK. Now I have some faces here and these are into some small faces. Now I want to join all these faces into a single face, so I will use this blend corner, and in blend corner first select the limiting curve. This is my first limiting curve, second, third, and add new set, second, this is my second face, and again add new set and you can see the warning is coming, cannot construct blend surface. Okay, just redefine this, or I'm going to add two more faces in this third one, and in the same way in the second limit curve I'm adding these two surfaces. So all the surfaces are selected, only just one problem is there, the curve are not matching properly. So first come to third limiting curve and reverse the direction, and click on second curve and reverse the direction, and limiting curve 1 and change the direction. Now you can see these curves are matching properly, and click OK, and the result will like this. So the result will like this, and this command is used to merging corner spaces. And now you can change this color and add a specific color. Just one click and apply. So